Give a fuck about the law. If you speak on the name of your wagon, drop. How you smoking me? I ain't never got pop, I ain't never got shot, I ain't never got dropped. If you coming that water, your wagon big, cause I be with them sharks. These niggas ain't no shit, all they do is talk. Got a G, make it spark, got a beam on the Glock, bitch. How you a thug, can't come on your block? Bro tryna slide, so we part of a beam. I'm smoking gas, lil' bro sippin' lean. If I got a Glock and I catch you a gang, I might fuck around, run up and shoot at your team. He better not talk, give a fuck what he seen. I take this bitch and left on scene. He try to run up and got left on the scene. He ain't never push up, but he know I be, huh? He tried to push up, but got left on the curb. Lil' pussy got sense to the sky like a bird. Nigga, if you want smoke, nigga, just say the word. I need a ring, gotta pay for the verse. We spin through this shit, and we be tryna murk. We spin through this shit, ain't nobody got hurt. So I reload the Glock and put it reverse. These niggas ain't real, but these niggas be actors. I tryna kill, so I be with them smackers. Niggas be talking on net, just wait till he catch 'em and see 'em and run up and fuck around, smack 'em.